All right, another kit. I don't know if you can read that, but it says FM, TV, AM, 2-band radio. So it'll do FM and TV on one band, and then AM on another band. So maybe not here in the U.S., but maybe in China. You can get TV. Let's see what the kit looks like. Let me get my tray, so I don't lose anything. Oh, comes with instructions. Nice. Let's see here. Oh, I know why I bought this one. Because it was a Panasonic. Can you read that? It's a Panasonic. Paean Sonic. Paenasonic? Anyway, it looks like it's not the Panasonic, it's another Panasonic. All right. Oh, there we go. Look at that stuff inside. Okay. So we have this nice case that has a battery compartment on it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cheesy. Definitely pretty cheesy. It's got a telescopic antenna. That's always nice. Speaker, one of those. These are like ubiquitous. I don't know, they're everywhere. Do I say that word too often? Ubiquitous? I think this is empty. I get rid of that. All right, so here's the PC board. Let's take a look at that. It is single-sided. Looks like pretty poor quality. So we have to be careful soldering this thing. And it looks like it's all a one-chip radio. So there's a surface mount part. And then the rest of it looks all through hole. So let's open up this little treasure bag here. How do we open it up? There it is. All right. So, first thing to notice is a interesting winding. Must be the AM antenna. And we have a piece of ferrite. So I'm imagining that goes inside. That would be my guess. I'm going to do it anyway. Yeah, I think that's that. And oh, there he is. Look, there's our IC. Just kind of floating around in the breeze there. That's amusing. Just throw him in. He'll be fine. Throw him in. Okay, let's see if I can read the part number on this thing. And yep, let's see here. To rotate him. He is a CD9088CB. Oh, interesting. And let's see what the instructions say. Ooh, a schematic, that's nice. Let's start with the schematic since I can't read Chinese. Oh, 9088, there it is, I see. Can you see that? Let me zoom in a bit. So, yeah, it does everything. There's a switch AM, FM. FM goes over here. Okay, AM comes up over this way. So why does it need this stuff over here for AM? I don't know, but there's another IC, a 7642. I'm not familiar with that part. And then another IC. Wow, there's 3 ICs. 1, 2. 1, 2. I don't see this other IC. 1, 2. Oh, here we go. Oh. Ah, I know what this is. Yeah. See this little, it looks like a transistor? It's actually this IC. This is an AM radio on a chip. I've seen these before. They have like a auto gain and filtering and detection all on one little chip. So that's what that does. And then this here looks probably like it's a audio amplifier, would be my guess. Yeah, volume, and then it goes into that. So some type of audio amplifier, and it is a dip. All right, well, since I can't read Chinese, oh, but there is, this I think will help. It says values and number on the PC board, so that could be of some help. And it tells you how to read color codes and where everything goes on the board. But I think we can figure that out. Looks like everything goes on the top of the board. All right, so let's start building. All right, so before we get anything else on there, let's get that surface mount part on there. Once we get that on there, everything else is downhill. So let's see here. All right, I will need some magnification. Sorry if that blows out the camera. And I'm going to put this down by hand, because I don't think this PC board will make it through reflow. Could be wrong, but I don't want to take a chance. All right. I'm going to put one leg on. There we go. And another one. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? I guess. No need to fire up the oven. In fact, I think that looks better than anything I've done in the oven. Maybe I'm good at this. All right. All right, let's look at it under higher magnification, make sure everything looks good. And I would say I do good work. I don't say so myself. Yes. Self, I said. And I could tell it was me speaking because I recognized the voice. All right, I think I'll wait. Some other parts need to go in there before I solder that on. Right. What do we have? We have a lot of 104s. Let's put in some 104s. Made an appointment for Monday. Gonna have my dog surgically altered. Hopefully he won't hold it against me. And more importantly, well, maybe not more importantly, but I'm going to have him get chipped at the same time. I have a chip put in him, so that'll be good. And if he gets loose, we'll be able to find him. I had a dog get loose once, and it was quite devastating. We did find him. He was adopted by another family, and he was quite happy there. She, actually, but she was quite happy there. Dogs will love you as long as you feed them. All right. Doesn't matter who. He likes to make friends at the dog park. But not dog friends, he likes to make human friends. I think he's figured that out. It's like dog friends don't have food. But human friends, they have food. There's a potential that they might give you a treat out of their treat bag. Then you get double bonus. Double bonus. He will do anything for food. Our other dog ate rocks, and we had to have it surgically opened up and get the rock out. And our dog loves rocks. This new dog, he likes to go out and get rocks, but he doesn't swallow them, which is good. We still are very nervous about him having rocks, though. So we take them away from him and give him a treat. Say, here, I'll trade you. But now I think he's learned that if he brings rocks in, he gets treats. So what are you going to do? Oh, dear. He's too smart for us. Too smart. Yeah, I don't know if the dogs train. If you train the dogs, or the dogs train you. Most likely he will come home with a cone of shame, though. Oh, he's not going to like that at all. No, he's not. I think he will be very upset with us. It's an interesting 104 here. Bend the legs on this one. I ordered something from a surplus store today that's a Vietnam vintage radio. And receiver only, but it's very standard. It has a 10.7 megahertz IF and a 455 kilohertz second IF. And should receive on the 6-meter band in ham radio, so I thought it might be interesting maybe as a telemetry radio, so I want to see if I can hack into it. It's crystal controlled, but I thought maybe I could put in a direct digital synthesis chip and make it digital and have it tunable. I think that'd be interesting. Might be a good project. I need a project. I'm doing too many kits, so I want to do my own projects. Let's see here, 104. I like the kits because it gives you an idea of things you can go out and buy and, you know, get people interested in the hobby. It's a little bit harder to get people to, you know, design their own circuits, and start from scratch. Point-to-point wiring is a bit of an effort, and not everybody's going to ever lay out their own PC board. That's a skill set one has to develop, and some people are even scared to order, even once they have the Gerber files, or they just haven't done it before. They're scared to order them from China. It's very simple. I try to tell people how to do it because I have a bunch of Gerber files on my my GitHub that you can go have built. But even then, some people are nervous about doing that. Can't you just sell me one, they say? I was contacted by a lawyer today. They wanted me to be an expert witness. I said no. But I was contacted by another company who said, we'd like to send you this electronic thing. And I said, yes. So they're going to be sending that in. We can review it, see if we like it or not. It is a type of power meter, so RF power meter, so that will be interesting. Okay, this is a 104. Got a lot of 104s in here. Here we go, a couple over here. Oh, 181, I just saw that here, 181. All right, I wasn't very talkative today, so I just built up the PC board, and I've shoved it in the case here. So everything goes in. Here's where the connectors go. The other connector's inside the little battery compartment. So you put that, it jumpers the two together. That goes in there. Okay, and then this, that'll go together. They're like that. So there's 3 screws that hold down the board. There is an AM radio antenna, and there's two spots marked on the board that said AM, and AM. And then there's another spot over here that's marked antenna, and I guess this goes over here somewhere, and I don't know where the antenna mounts. I guess it mounts here. I don't know. I'll have to figure out where that antenna goes, but it does attach there somehow. Or maybe it attaches here? That makes more sense. It's a bigger hole. But it says there. Maybe you put a wire across. Anyway, yeah, it's all together. I need to put the speaker on, so the speaker goes down here somewhere. Now, I don't see any way of holding that speaker in there, so I might glue it. Although the battery pack might just push on it enough to hold it in there. Maybe that's the ticket. But we have some wires here, so we'll solder the some wires onto the speaker. Let me tin these. I didn't see the spot where the speaker goes, though. Let's see here. So let's go there. Here's the phono jack. So imagine the speaker goes over here somewhere. Oh yeah, SP and SP. Okay, they're good. So SP plus goes here, I guess. Okay. Just gives you some landings here to solder to. So we'll put that one here. And then Where did I see SP minus? Okay, so I did solder a wire onto that onto this antenna, and soldered it onto the board, and there we go. It's even got a little marker that moves back and forth when you tune it, and on, off, and everything. So let's put some batteries in it and cross our fingers. See, I think I've got some batteries on the bench here. If I remember right, yeah, here's a couple. I think these will be good. These are on a little thing here. I think I'll get them out. AA batteries. So let's put one in here and one in here. Close it up. Close it up. There it goes. And on. See. Off. And I hear nothing. Nice. And I get no... Oh, I didn't hook up the batteries. No. I forgot to hook up the two wires that connect the batteries to the board. Okay, I'll go do that. All right, well, it helps if you hook up the battery, right? Yeah, there's two wires that go to those little metal clips that go to the PC board, so I just forgot to hook that up. So let's turn it on. There, look at that. Oh, we get a light now. Oh, it gets a noise. Bollywood, of course, is our big station here.
And they produce more antibodies, 5 times more. And that might explain why I expect I'm taking a day off. I get my next shot because I'm pretty sure I'm going to...
Okay, that's AM. Let's move to FM. Oh, put up our antenna. FM. And FM's like dead. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Nice. Too loud. I think the tuning is a little bit off on the FM. I think we're at the band is shifted all the way high. So there are some adjustments on the capacitor that allows you to change the range and stuff. So I will do that, but I think I've got my fun out of it. It's a Panasonic radio. Panasonic, very nice. There you go. I don't know what the TV is. I have no idea. It goes all the way down to 76 megahertz, so maybe there's some stations down there. 70. Oh yeah, see? 84 to 76. Yeah, so it's got a low range there, so there must be a TV in there somewhere. But like I said, right now it's kind of tuned up high. I have to adjust the range so it comes back down. But oh well, there it is. I hate the case. The case is really, really bad plastic. But it is a radio. It is a kit. It keeps you off the street. Keeps you home when you can't go out and to a nice restaurant anymore. Soon though, huh? So anyway, it does come with the schematic, which is nice. And everything was marked. And even when it wasn't marked, there was this in case. And I didn't have to use this. Everything was marked. Comes with a cool little thing here. 2 batteries, runs off of 3 volts. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think I got this off of Alibaba or AliExpress. I'm not sure what the difference is. AliExpress. There you go, snap, snap. Yeah, it's pretty loud. So it's not too wimpy. That's good. Anyway, there you go. Want to build one? Give it a try. AM/FM radio.